Hey, it's Ray. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious high protein barbecue baked bean recipe. This is the healthy version, okay? We're not putting any bacon. We don't need bacon. It's gonna taste delicious without the bacon. So we're just gonna jump right in, and I'm gonna start by making a sauce. And the sauce is actually starting with a pre-made barbecue sauce, but this is from my favorite lady, Date Lady, and her barbecue sauce is sweetened with dates. So we don't have to be worried about added sugars because this is sweetened with sugar from Mother Nature. And there are no crazy chemicals or ridiculous ingredients. And that is going to be the basis for the sauce that's going to go over these baked beans. So this is a cup of the Date Lady barbecue sauce. And honestly, I think this is kind of what makes it so easy. It's because it's a pre-made sauce that we don't make our own. But we are adding to it, of course. So we're also going to add 1 cup of, this is a beef broth. And we're going to just mix that in. And then we're going to add about 1/2 cup of tomato paste. And that will go in next. And then we're going to add some liquid smoke. This happens to be a no sugar liquid smoke. It's made by Stubbs, which they also make barbecue sauce, but their barbecue sauce has sugar. We're going to add some Dijon mustard, and we're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire. And not to worry, I'm going to give you all the proportions for these ingredients in the recipe. It's going to be down below. And now we're going to give everything a quick whisk. So we just want to get everything combined together. Now, we are using yellow onion and purple onion, and I've already sauteed it in a little bit of vegetable broth. We're also going to use jalapeno, and I have also sauteed that in some vegetable broth. And so those are going into this recipe as well, along with some garlic. So here we've got the onion, and we've got the jalapeno and the red pepper, and the jalapeno is from my garden, so love it. It's a good one. It's a good crop this year. So we'll just give those a quick mix. And then I'm going to add garlic. And this is the frozen garlic that I like so much from Trader Joe's. And we're going to put that in. Then we're going to add the beans. So this is 3 different cans of beans. Again, I'm using cans just for ease. So this is pintos, black beans, and navy beans. You can choose whatever beans you like. A lot of people like kidney beans. This just happens to be the combo that I prefer. But you can use whatever beans you like. It's just 3 cans of your favorite beans. Okay, and so we've got that combined. Smells so good. That garlic, it's amazing. And now we're going to pour the sauce over top. And we're going to stir it up. And then we're going to add some spices. And I'll, again, give you the recipe so you don't have to worry about it. Now, this spice blend has smoked paprika. It has garlic powder. It has onion powder. Has a little bit of chili powder. It's got a secret ingredient. So a lot of times when I make dishes like this, I like to just put a pinch of turmeric. And people know there's something different in it, but they don't know what it is usually. And it's usually the turmeric. So we're gonna put the turmeric, we've got a little bit of salt, we've got a little bit of pepper to activate the curcumin in the turmeric. And we'll give that a quick mix. Oh my goodness, this smells heavenly. This is a really good side dish to accompany a grilled chicken, a grilled steak, burgers. Okay, and then we're going to put it in our baking dish. Scoop the baking dish. Okay. I'm just going to spread it out a little bit in here. And then we are going to pop this in the oven, and then we will be back for a taste. We have our beautiful beans out of the oven, and boy, does this smell delicious. Wow. So while this is cooling, I just want to mention that this is an incredibly versatile dish. It's affordable. It is nutritious, and it is comfort food, really. It is high in fiber. It is high in plant-based protein. The complex carbs in this dish give you a nice boost of energy when you eat it. It's just really so delicious. And, we didn't have to put a sugar-laden, chemical-based barbecue sauce in this. We use that beautiful barbecue sauce from the Date Lady, which is sweetened with dates. And so, yes, there is some sugar in the dish, but the way your body will process this sugar is very different than if you were eating a processed sugar or any kind of artificial sweetener, right? So this is so much better for your body. And the fiber and the protein in it actually helps your body manage the insulin. So even though you are getting glucose into your bloodstream and insulin spiking, it's not going to be as severe an insulin spike. I hope you're going to try this recipe. I think you're going to find it really tasty. And to that end, let's try it. Mmm. 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 That is delicious. Mmm. From the first bite, the peppers are lovely. They're spicy, and I love that about it. It's also sweet from the barbecue sauce. So the balance between the spicy and the sweet is really great. That is so tasty. Wow. So again, the recipe link will be down below. Oh, and speaking of that, if you want to subscribe, there's a button on my website. You can get to it down below in the show notes. And if you click on the right-hand top side of the screen on the website, there'll be a link for you to subscribe. And that means every week you'll get a recipe in your inbox and an article. I'd love to have you over there at my website as part of the tribe there. We're growing all the time, and I love having new people join us. Or you can just join us here on YouTube. And, I post recipes once a week, and so you'll get a new recipe every week that way as well. Love to have you as part of the tribe. Bon appetit, everyone. I hope you're going to try it. It's really good.